How to track your order in Shein. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have made a purchase on the Shein application but do not know how to track it, it's quite simple. So to get started with, launch the Shein application and make sure to use your credentials to get logged in. Now that you're logged in, you will land to the home page. Now from here, what you have to do is click on My Orders section. It is usually available right below your profile, and from here tap on View All. Here are different tabs such as All Orders, Unpaid Orders, Processing, Shipped, Review and Returns. If you cannot find a specific order, tap on Self-Service to find order. Now you can either use the order or tracking number, phone number, email address or payment information to find your specific order. And this is how you can track your order on Shein application. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.